Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete files on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Alright, let's get started. So to delete files on Chromecast, you're going to need a file manager application. In my case, I'm going to show you using the File Manager Plus app. I have a video showing you how to download and install this app on Chromecast. Now, you can use another File Manager app if you have and if you are comfortable with the application, but it works the same. Just click on the File Manager application to launch it and then navigate over to the content you wish to delete. So I have apps here, I have views, I have different types of files. So if I want to delete maybe something under downloads, I'll just come here, click on downloads, and this APK file is here. So I could click and hold, go down, click on delete. Now I have two options. Either I delete this thing and it gets sent to a recycle bin, or I click on permanently delete. So clicking on permanently delete and checking this box would entirely erase this file from the system. I will not be able to restore it if I change my mind. But if I click this off and then I come over to OK, that deletes the file but leaves a spare copy. A lot of people have this wrong where they delete a lot of stuff from their Chromecast, but the Chromecast is still slow, they still require more storage. That is because they have not emptied the recycle bin. So just come back to this top sandwich bar at the top left, and then you're going to head over to recycle bin, click on this, and you have the recycle bin open. They will show you all the files which have been deleted but not permanently deleted. So if you just decide to restore them, you can just click on more, click on the app, and then choose what you want to restore or permanently delete.